Hi everyone. Let me begin with an important truth. One small mistake in pharmaceutical manufacturing can harm millions of people. In this industry, quality is not just a regulatory requirement, it is a moral responsibility. If something goes wrong, patients may receive ineffective medicines with no therapeutic benefit. In some cases, they may suffer serious side effects or unexpected harm. Defective products may lead to costly recalls, loss of company reputation, and most importantly, loss of public trust. And in the worst situations, human lives can be put at direct risk. That is why strict systems are essential in pharmaceutical manufacturing. So what exactly is GMP? GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. In simple terms, GMP is a system that ensures medicines are consistently produced, carefully controlled, and safe for patients every single time. Consistency means every batch meets the same quality standards. Careful control means every step of production is monitored and documented. Safety means the product is free from contamination and works as intended. GMP ensures that every tablet, capsule, or injection is exactly what it should be. Why GMP saves lives? Patients trust that the medicines they take will help them, not harm them. GMP protects that trust by controlling all critical aspects of production. Raw materials are verified to ensure only high-quality inputs are used. Manufacturing processes are standardized to eliminate variability. Equipment cleanliness prevents cross-contamination between products. Employees are properly trained and competent. Documentation ensures traceability and accountability. Storage and distribution conditions preserve product quality until it reaches the patient. Without GMP, medicines could easily become dangerous products rather than life-saving treatments. Real impact: the cost of poor practices. History has shown us what happens when good manufacturing practices are not followed. Contaminated products can reach the market. Patients can suffer serious harm. Companies may face massive recalls and legal consequences. Public confidence in healthcare systems can be severely damaged. GMP exists to prevent these tragedies. Every protocol, every inspection, and every record is designed to stand between the patient and preventable harm. The Golden Rule in Pharma. There is a fundamental principle in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Quality cannot be tested into a product, it must be built into the process. Testing finished products can only identify defects after they have already occurred. True quality comes from controlling every stage of production, from raw material selection to final packaging. This principle forms the foundation of GMP and should guide every pharmaceutical professional. You are protecting lives. If you work in the pharmaceutical industry, your role carries immense responsibility. You are not just producing medicines. Every procedure you follow, every check you perform, every record you complete represents a commitment to a patient you will probably never meet. Your work determines whether someone receives safe treatment or harmful products. In simple words, you are protecting lives. GMP is not only about regulations, it is about culture and continuous improvement. Sharing real-world experiences helps the entire industry learn and grow. If you have seen how GMP practices prevent errors on the shop floor, share your experience. Your story can inspire others and strengthen our collective commitment to patient safety. Because GMP is not just a checklist. It is a mindset. And a responsibility we all share. Thank you.